Welcome to the channel. My name's Evan Wells, and this is my YouTube channel. Mainly I started this channel for myself, but I hope you guys enjoy what you see as well. The reason I say I started it for myself was really after having kids and a family and all that, I needed something to motivate me to get back out in the garage and start turning wrenches again. And this has done that. It's given me a reason not only to come out and make videos for you guys and to share what I know and what I've learned over the years, but also it gives back to me that I'm coming out and working on these vehicles and getting stuff accomplished. And it really means the world to me to see you guys following along and leaving comments and subscribing to the channel. It really does mean a ton, and it also gives me that kick in the pants to get out here and keep making content for you. So I hope you enjoy it, hope you stick around, and check out some of my other videos. Thanks for stopping by, and I hope you consider subscribing to the channel to follow along with all my projects and all my adventures.